Hello friends, welcome to the Nifty and Bank Nifty daily post-market technical analysis. So without any further ado, let us straight away jump into the analysis. So today is a weekly expiry and Nifty had some high swings today. And at the end of the day, Nifty formed a doji harami in a downtrend. So before going into a daily level analysis, let us briefly look at the intraday movement in Nifty. So if you look at the intraday movement in Nifty, couple of things are really clear. So one thing is Nifty opened slightly higher than the previous close, and then it gradually got sold off in line with the previous selling that happened in Nifty. And then towards somewhere like, oh sorry, I am mistaken here. This is from 15th. So in line with the 15th selling, Nifty got sold off in the first half an hour. Then it for a few, I think for about 45 minutes, it found some bottom support there. The support is coming from around 16,850 levels. So you can see the support clearly here. After this support, there was a good effort to push the prices up, but then that faced some stiff resistance with the resistance is coming from around 1740 area, which is also a kind of consolidation zone. This consolidation zone is on from 14th. So this is the area that corresponds to the resistance, first resistance today. And after that, again there was some selling pressure, but that selling pressure found a support, very clear support actually. And after the selling pressure found a support, the support played and there was a higher high made. And towards the last 1 hour there was some support and there was some selling and buying going on. So all this showed that because of the previous selling that was happening in Nifty, so today also Nifty tried to go down, but the support started coming into play, and the support eventually gave a nice trend that can be spotted here. So this trend is like it made a high, then there was some selling happening, but again it found support. It made a lower low, and it made a higher high, and again it went down, but it towards the last 15 minutes it recovered. So this is a nice clear trend here, if you can spot it. So if this trend can maintain, probably we can expect the trend to maintain. But it can go against the expectations also. But if the trend can maintain, we can see Nifty possibly going up to 17,120, or if if the buying is very strong, it can go even higher. But if it goes at the present rate, we can expect it to reach around 17,120 or 160 tomorrow. So coming back to the daily time frame, so daily time frame also gives us a doji harami cross that is coming after a steep selling happening, and this doji harami cross is coming at a support line. So Nifty actually tried to break this support line. So this support line supported Nifty multiple times earlier, and today it would have broken, but it did not break. It is still holding. So probably if this happens to be a strong support, then we can see a short bounce playing now, or otherwise a small consolidation. I had told the same yesterday also, but today it is even more clear, because this is the third time this line got tested and it tried to break, but it finally closed above. So most likely tomorrow would be a green session, and we don't know one thing, whether it will open up higher or it will open here, and again there would be some play and eventually it will go. That part is not really clear, but looking at the intraday, as I have mentioned, most probably the trend would continue. And coming back to Nifty, coming back to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, even though it shows as a like moderate small candle, the average closing price happens to be somewhere here, which in fact makes this also a harami cross. So this harami cross in Bank Nifty is also coming at the end of a crash. So this can mean either a pause in the downtrend, there can be some consolidation, or there can be a short bounce. We don't know how far the bounce goes up. That depends on the extent of support and bullishness in the market. But if a bounce happens, it can happen possibly, let us say, some 1,000 points maybe. And looking at the intraday moves in Bank Nifty, so just like Nifty, so you can see the similarity in Bank Nifty and Nifty. So it is often the case, but here it is even more clear. So you see that two charts, they're almost same. So in Bank Nifty also, it got sold off, then found support, it tried to go up, it got pushed down, it again went up strongly. So there is a very subtle trend in Bank Nifty also. So given that a kind of trend has established, this may continue tomorrow. If it continues, we may see a higher high than 39,400 tomorrow, and probably it might again give a kind of push down. So in whichever case, if you are holding longs now in Bank Nifty, it is a good idea to hold the longs with an expectation of 39,600 tomorrow. You can expect a 39,600 to be tested tomorrow, and if you want to take profits, you can take profits depending on your risk assessment. And in case of Nifty also similarly, you can take profits. So if you are holding long positions, a good idea to take profits would be somewhere around 17,100, 17,120 level. If it crosses this level, then you can definitely again initiate long positions with target of 17,200. This I mentioned yesterday also, but again it's holding true today too also. And coming back to Bank Nifty, so like I said, the first target would be 39,600, and the next target would be, if it breaks this, possibly 39,800 or 40,000. However, the case of a case of one more crash, for that, for Nifty or Bank Nifty to fall again, tomorrow, for Nifty or Bank Nifty to fall again, they have to break this support, which happens to be somewhere around, like I said, 16,840 for Nifty. So it has to open with a kind of a bearish intent. It has to open below 16,090, below the body of this harami, and it has to again go down and then break this flow. If this flow is broken, then you can definitely consider that the downtrend has resumed. Unless this low is not broken, there could still be some support in the market, and that support can push the price. Same case for Bank Nifty. As long as this bottom of today's session is holding up, which corresponds to, let us say, which corresponds to 38,600. As long as this bottom is holding up 38,600, the support for Bank Nifty will play out. So again, one more thing is, if this top of the current day session, if it breaks above 39,400, that will in turn act as a support during the intraday tomorrow. That is another point to be noted. So with that, so I didn't mention any clear trades for tomorrow, because the current session today looks like an early signal of reversal. Whether the reversal will be strong or whether it is going to be consolidation, we cannot yet estimate at this point. There are fair chances for a bounce, but again, you cannot bet high on a bounce. So the best case would be to take small long positions tomorrow if the open is closer to today's close, and then hold the longs and see if the price is going up. If the price is going up, then in case of Nifty or Bank Nifty, you can um, add up the long positions. However, for the case of shorting, given that there is some good support forming in Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is better to wait for the support to be broken. And given that there has been some consistent selling in the past few days, and the kind of indices are a little oversold, so if the supports get broken, then you can initiate short positions, because otherwise you don't know whether it will go. You cannot predict at this point how far higher it may bounce if it bounces. So the best trades for tomorrow would be to take long positions with a small quantity in the beginning. If you already have not taken long positions today, then hold the long position and see how the price is moving. If the price is moving up and if your long positions are coming into profit, then you can add up more positions. And again, trail the position with stop loss. You can take the first profit if you want to at around 17,120 level, like that, for Nifty, and for 39,600 for Bank Nifty. And if that level gets broken up and if in the index moves up, then you can again reinitiate long positions or add your positions. So with that, I conclude the analysis. So I hope everyone had a good trading day today, and I wish everyone a very good weekend trading session tomorrow. Manage your positions and risk well. Please know that trading in the market is inherently risk prone. And I hope everyone a good trading day tomorrow. Thank you.